Hey y'all, it's your girl Lips and Lashes here. So I found this vintage desk outside and decided to revamp it into a makeup work desk. If you are interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, here are the materials I will be using on this project. I have door paint, a drop cloth, sandpaper, polyester paint brushes, marble contact paper, and doorknobs. I picked up most of these items from Dollar Tree except the paint and knobs were courtesy of Walmart. Hey guys, what's up? It's Twyla here. Today I'm going to be doing a project. I got a table from a stranger basically. So I went to buy a bed rail from him since I just moved to my apartment. And he had a table sitting on the trash pile. So I'm just like, can I have that one too? And he's like, sure. So I took it and I'm deciding to make it and revamp it, turn into something completely new. I got some materials. I got all kind of stuff that I'm gonna do to it. So I'm gonna walk you guys through my process and y'all just watch me go as I work on it. Okay guys, so here's the table itself. I've already cleaned it. I've already basically I just scrubbed it down, cleaned it. I also went ahead and glued the parts that was kind of loose on it. That's the drawers. This is it. The green is kind of cute, but nah, not for what I'm going for. I'm thinking I'm gonna paint it black actually, and I'm only doing it inside my house because it's supposed to rain today, so I'm just trying to avoid the rain. I'm gonna put it outside to dry, but as far as the painting process, I'd rather do it inside just in case that it starts raining on me. Okay guys, so far I've done these two. Sorry, my camera is really bad, but if you guys can kind of tell that I've sanded these, and this is the one I haven't done, and it's still shiny. I'm trying to get the shiny layer off of here. I'm not trying to be perfect, but you know, this is what they told me to do on the paint container. So that's why I'm gonna sand it off first, just to make sure it has a nice, like, rough base to stick to, just like nails or whatever. So this one is still shiny, but an update. So sanding papers. Okay, so this is like a little trial and error thing I have going on right here. So far, this one works not at all for me. This one is okay. This is like my favorite one. This is the one to get it really going. So if you're gonna use the sanding papers from Dollar Tree, I suggest you use the P100 if you actually want to get something done. Alright guys, so side note, I had to makeshift a mask because on the can of paint it says that if you sandpaper wood, you never know if it has aluminum in it. So you definitely want to have on a mask to make sure you're not breathing in those fumes, because a lot of stuff was kicking up off as I was sanding.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now?
Okay guys, so far all I've done is dusted off all the lead. Basically, I googled it, so they said that lead comes off when you sandpaper old paint off of wood things. So I dusted all that off. I kind of cleaned up my area. I reset up. I mixed my paint. It's here. So far, I don't smell anything to say that I'm inside the house. I don't smell any strong smells. It mixed up pretty easily. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this little back wall piece that goes to the side of the table, just to experiment, see what it's gonna look like, stuff like that. I'm gonna paint directly out of the can. I brought this looking, but I'm gonna wait till it's like a little bit, till I use some of it to pour it in here, so it's like a big old mess. I have, let me show you guys what we're working with. So I have paper towels all on the floor here. I got a box where I'm sitting this on top of. I got my wall covered. I'm right here by my porch, so if I need some fresh air, I'll open that up in a second. So we're about to see what this piece comes out like, and be right back. Okay guys, so word of advice, don't put too much paint on here at once. Like, just take your time with it. On these drawers, I find that the smaller brush works better. But you definitely don't want to overdo it. Put too much paint on the first layer, only because it starts to kind of make a mess and it drips all over the place. By the way, I'm painting on the top of this because I don't plan on painting it. I plan on just putting contact paper on it, and the paint actually isn't even sticking to it. So, you know, it's a win. A win is a win, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting coats on here until it looks pigmented enough for me, because I don't plan on doing 2 coats. You know, I'm attempting to get it over with just 1 coat. You know, I also, the handles for this is because it's so old, they were like broken. They were falling apart as I was cleaning the doors themselves. So I got rid of those, and I have different handles I'm going to attach to these once the paint is all dry. I even decided last minute that I was going to go ahead and paint the sides here on both sides, not the bottom or the inside, just the sides, so that when you pull the drawer out, it's cohesive. It's not like obvious, you know, this is old as hell on the side. And yeah. Yep, and I also bought handles to go on here. They're really pretty. I'll show you guys in another clip. But that's basically what I'm doing, trying to get an even layer here. I finished 1 drawer so far. Looks pretty good to me. And then I have the little side wall. So yeah, it's going. Okay guys, so I painted this part. I didn't record me doing it because it was kind of time consuming. This is after 2 coats though. And I'm really happy with this so far. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Go to work tomorrow, and when I get off tomorrow, I'll probably come home and go ahead and add the doorknob handles to the drawers. And I want to put contact paper here for the top part. But I'm really happy with this so far. It looks brand new to me. I'm sorry, like, I freaking love it. This is just what I used to clean off the desk before I added the handles and the contact paper.
Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies.
Alright guys, so since the drawers that I got, since the desk I got already had handles before they broke off because it's so old pretty much, so it already has holes in it for knobs. So all I did was go to Walmart, got some knobs, clear finish. I found these like by the bathroom aisle. Yeah, if that helps. But they have all types of handles and things you can use, and basically it has a little hole here, and you just take the screw that comes with it here, and you just screw it in. I'm gonna use either one of these flathead screwdrivers. This is the contact paper I got from Dollar Tree. I would have preferred to get it from Walmart, but this is what I got. It's marble, kind of like a silvery vibe. I have this notebook and a spatula so I can put the contact paper on here. I got this just so it can be a little wider than this, but this is, you will really need more spatulas than this, like a bigger one. This is only 2 inches, obviously. So yeah, that's where we're at. So now I'm about to screw on the handles, and then we'll get started with the contact paper. Okay guys, so update. Let me make sure you guys see me. But you don't even have to use a screwdriver or any of that. All you have to do is stick this through the hole and screw it on. Hold it at the end underneath here and just screw it as tight as you can. And what I'm doing is taking the screwdriver when it gets like just a little bit of space down here, just to make sure that it's completely tight, you know. And these handles are very fragile, so I suggest being very gentle with them when you're taking them out of the package, because they will break. They will.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me serious. guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. I hope y'all enjoy watching me complete this. And I hope it was helpful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Twyla Paris, the